Hey everybody. Well, the news is we're not going back to school. So we're finishing up with online learning until the end of the year. So what I wanted to do was give you an idea of what's up. I am no longer sticking to the curriculum. That is ridiculous. What I want to do is show you the schedule of what we'll do. And really, I just want to do kind of a concept of physics each week. Okay. Oh, hi there. Anyways, so here is the schedule. It's just in Word. I can post it if you need me to. So this week, the 14th, I'm working and planning, trying to get the week and weeks ahead scheduled. But I want to give you a big picture. This week we're going to go through friction force. Couple videos watching. I might have you do some discussions afterwards, just so I can get some idea of what you're thinking, some accountability for that day. And ultimately on Friday I'll have some sort of an assessment if you understood and can calculate some stuff. Not going to do calculations through most of this. It's really more going to get into conceptual. But with friction force, we had Newton's second law. We've got some equations. So I'm going to try to tie it together. Next week, you guys get to start on the 21st, that Tuesday. Will be circular motion. We'll get into energy. Beginning of May, momentum. Simple harmonic motion. Projectile motion, and then honestly, there's your finals week. Now it'll change if the governor says snow days, no big deal, okay? But ultimately, that's my plan. And then if they reduce it to where our normal last day of school will be, I will decide which one I want to get rid of. So by that time, when they make the decision, is it going to be momentum, harmonic motion, or projectile motion? So, anyways, that's what I wanted to give you. I just wanted to tell you what the plan was. The plan is not intended to be worksheet after worksheet after worksheet. That's not my goal. My goal is for you to learn higher level conceptual ideas about physics, since we've got, what's the point of doing that? Let's get the concepts. Let's see the different aspects of physics, and hopefully you'll gain an understanding and appreciation for it and see some cool stuff. I hope you guys had a great 4-day weekend. It was very bizarre to me that we were back to winter, a little like tied into our places, so I kind of went a little stir crazy. But I hope you're doing well, and I hope this plan is more exciting to you than just sticking to the curriculum. So have a good day, have a good week, and again, chime in if you guys have any questions. Bye.